Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds Philips. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that close the case. Now your earbuds will disconnect from your phone, so we should see it in the device list. I think it's some kind of bug here, because it should be disconnected. Yeah, right here we have it. So after that, you just open the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone, and we should have connection here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!